It's Ishara here from the Ishara's Reading Podcast. We are live at the National Book Festival right now. Let's go get our press pass. We got our press pass.
Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi, it's Ishara here from the Ishara's Reading Podcast. Right now we are at the National Book Festival, and we are here with the author I'm about to interview's daughter. I have a question for you. What is your name?
Tanner.
Tanner, what is your favorite book and why is it your favorite book? My friends on the other side of the screen probably just want to know.
My favorite book is probably a book series that I love called Kids Baking Junior or something like that. And it's because I like baking shows and watch kids bake and stuff.
Same.
And I love baking too, so that's probably a huge reason why.
I've tried in the past. What's the book you have right now?
This is a book that I got signed by Kwame Mbalia, and it's called Tristan Strong Punches a Hole in the Sky. I had to read it for a summer reading book
What?
project.
How does he punch a hole in the sky?
It's really hard to explain, really, but
Just have to read it?
yeah.
Well, I'm going through several series right now, personally. Percy Jackson and the Olympians,
Wow.
and School for Good and Evil series.
I haven't heard of that one yet.
It's really good. One question, do you like fantasy? Imagine all the fantasy characters go to this one school where they learn how to be all those characters. Every villain, every monster, every hero, every princess. That's basically the storyline. And their kids go to this school until two kids who are not from the storybook universe and are actually regular kids go to the school and change it forever.
Wow. That sounds... I should definitely look that up.
I recommend it. It's by Somnan Chanai. It's hard to pronounce the first time you try it.
What's your favorite book?
I have several. For Quest for Glory, School for Good and Evil, which is the book 4, the one I'm on, and Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief.
Oh, The School for Good and Evil. I watched,
Yeah.
It was a movie about it on Netflix.
Yeah,
I like
that
one.
one.
I like that.
If you read the book, you're gonna be kind of sad about the movie. Trust me, there's a lot more plot twists.
Wow.
Thank you for coming on the podcast with me.
It was my pleasure.
Bye.